Okay guys, so we're in Canary Wharf now, just to report that this area, like many others, is picking up in terms of property-wise. We're seeing a lot of deals being done post-Brexit. Let's have a little look. We have there one of the new buildings being built, which has just been built there, as you can see. I think that's the Madison, and variety of older stock, new stock. Of course, you've got all of these amazing tenants there, developments over there that Broker of Brokers has owned. You've got over there as well the Dome. So the area is exciting, and I think that in the next 10 years this area will start to really pick up, because in terms of price per square foot it's probably lagging central London, so there's scope. Bye for now.